hitting the back road today. It's a beautiful, beautiful Michigan sunny day. Hello, lady. There you go. Anyway, as I was saying, it's a beautiful sunny Michigan day. So we're hitting back roads today. Oh my God. Alright, I hope the audio's okay. I'm actually going to pull over at the next spot I can, and I'm going to use this clip and see if the audio's alright. If the audio's alright, onward. Alright, I just pulled over, and the audio actually turned out way better than I thought it would. Sorry, I gotta adjust you guys. Yeah, I just pulled over, and the audio turned out way better than I had expected. I have all the windows down and the sunroof open, so there's a lot of wind, but there's not much wind noise, at least from what I could tell. So real quick on the way to the spot, I just want to kind of talk to you guys. So I know I've been missing for the past 2 weeks, maybe even a little more than that at this point. There's not really a real reason for that, except for the fact that the gloomy ass Michigan weather that we've had just made me not want to upload. I mean, I didn't want to go out and drive, so I mean, why would I upload on my car YouTube channel? So, I mean, it just didn't make much sense for me to upload at the time. And on top of that, I was pretty busy with school and work and stuff, so. But anyway, we're out here now. It's a beautiful day. It's 70 degrees and sunny. It's the nicest day we've had since probably August. So, let's hit this back road. Man, whenever the sun comes out after a winter, or even during winter, especially here in Michigan when our winters are like 8 months long, it feels like I'm on drugs. I'm telling you, like my mood is just instantly a million times better than what it would have been had it been cloudy and cold or snowy and rainy. It's amazing. Like, I just feel so much better whenever the sun's out. Also, that bird is sweet. That is a big bird. Holy crap. Hopefully you guys could see that. That was cool. That bird just swooped right over the road. Right after a very, very long drive down to Mexico, we made it. I'm going to do one lap just down real quick. I'm going to do it nice and casual, just kind of get a feel for the road, see how busy it is. And then on the way back, we'll really, really get after it. So I'm super excited. Let's go. Last time I was on this road, it was one of my first videos. It was like dead middle of winter. It was kind of snowy. I was on my crappy, really worn down all-season tires. Now I'm on my nice tires. It's a beautiful day. We're stuck in traffic. That sucks. But yeah, like I said, I'm not going to go crazy right now. I want to do a quick lap, see how it's looking, make sure there's no police, make sure there's no bikers. You know, just get a feel for it. And that's what I'm doing. I'm not sure exactly what happened, but I put my new wheels on. A lot of you guys saw that video. That video is doing really well. Thank you for that. Anyway, I put them on, and for the first 2-3 weeks, month that I had them on, they weren't rubbing at all. I would hit bumps, I would do my normal driving, they weren't rubbing. And now, over the past week, they just started rubbing again. Like, whenever I hit some bumps, I have no idea what happened, but whatever. It's not nearly as bad as it was. Before I got my alignment, and before I bent that little clip in the fender up, I would rub everywhere. Now I'm just rubbing from time to time on bigger bumps that I probably should be avoiding anyway. Like, look at this. You can see the road going all the way down around this little lake here. It's absolutely gorgeous. Whee! Alright, I just did my quick little lap. I'm gonna hit a U-ey here, and then we'll really get after it. This car loves this weather. When it's like anywhere between 50 and 70 degrees, this car just eats, man. If it gets colder than that, it pulls timing, it pulls boost. If it's warmer than that, it pulls timing and boost. It's right in this nice sweet spot right now where it just books. It feels so good, man. Second gear. Downshift. Downshift. I do want to be safe. I've seen some bikers, so I'm really not going to go crazy. Just if I see an open stretch, I'll give it some beans, but around these turns, I'm going to be careful. I do not want to even come close to these bikers. Their safety is way more important than driving fast. Second gear. Give her some. God dang. Anyone watching that happens to be from like the southeastern part of Michigan and you know any good roads, like driving roads specifically, please let me know. I'm looking for something. I go to this road, but I generally have to take it pretty slow because it's pretty busy. But yeah, either DM me on Instagram, leave a message in the comments, just let me know of any nice roads that you guys know of in like southeastern Michigan. Hell, maybe one day we can all take a cruise out on one of these roads. That'd be super fun. That'd be cool as hell. Alright guys, I know that video was pretty short. Just a quick little POV driving. Super nice out, so this was all just for my fun, honestly. I hope you guys find it a little entertaining. And I need to get something out for you guys. I haven't posted in 2 weeks. But yeah, it's an absolutely gorgeous day, so I figured, hey, let's just go on a drive. That's what we do, right? That's what us car people do for fun. So we did it. We went on a nice drive, and she's treated me super well. She handles absolutely perfectly. I didn't get after it too hard just because, you know, it's busy and I don't want to hurt anyone, including myself. So yeah, I didn't get after it too hard, but she's treated me great. She rides pretty damn smooth, even for the amount of modifications I have done, and she handles way better than I ever thought it was possible for some big loafy sedan to handle. So alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, I am so sorry for the lack of content recently, but that will be changing, especially because we have the sun, 70 degrees. It's coming. It's coming. This will be consistent soon enough, so whenever I get the time, I'll record and post for you guys. I really plan on going to a lot of car meets this summer, so that'll be really cool. Stay tuned for that. Alright, so without further ado, I'll let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out and have a great rest of your day.